Today we'll be assembling the Arden Emerald Hammer EH500K. The first step is to attach the 515 plug to the driver. Start by attaching the green wire to the terminal with the green screw. Next, attach the black wire to the terminal with the brass screw. Lastly, attach the white wire to the silver terminal. When tightening the white clamp of the plug, make sure that the clamp is only tightening down on the cord's jacket, not on the individual wires. Next, locate the holes on the base plate where the standoffs are to be attached. Attach each standoff with one screw. This can be done by hand or with a Phillips screwdriver. The next step is to attach the driver to the LED base plate. This can be done with two screws attaching to the standoffs that were just attached. Make sure to line up the driver output wires to the side of the base plate with less wire holes. Next, after flipping the base plate over, we can attach the LED boards. First, line these up so all the Samsung logos are facing the same direction. This ensures the polarity of the board is correct when wiring. Using the LED wire clips is easy. You just push the wire clip in until you hear a click, and then the LED board is secure. Whenever placing the fixture LED boards down, you need to make sure it's protected. This can be done by using the packaging included in the box. We can now begin wiring the fixture. We'll start off by doing the jumper wires between LED boards. Each board is paired to another one with both a black wire and red wire. The red wire can be used for the positive terminal, and the black wire can be used for the negative terminal. When done correctly, the jumper wire should have a nice weave pattern that you can see on the back. When flipping over, it should look consistent on the front. The next step in wiring is to attach the LED power wires. These will only be attached to every other board. Again, use red for the positive terminals and black for the negative. Once all the LED power wires are attached, we can begin to connect them. Use the 5-position WAGO to attach all 4 red wires together and all 4 black wires together. After that, it can be attached to the LED driver. The red goes with red and the blue goes to black. If you did not select dimming on your fixture, cap off the remaining 5 wires in the driver with the included gray wire nuts. If you chose the dimming option on your fixture, installing the knob is easy. The purple wire goes to the purple wire, and the gray wire goes to the gray wire. Simply push the switch through the base plate, attach with included nut, and push on the knob. Arden Lighting Tech hopes you enjoy your new Emerald Hammer fixture. For more information, search grow.arden.lighting on your favorite internet browser.